Planning a road trip from London? Whether you're craving quaint villages, ancient history, or seaside views, we've mapped out the best routes, covering Stonehenge, the Cotswolds, and even the coastal beauty of Cornwall. And we're here to help you make the most of it, with guided tours and must-see stops along the way. Feel free to check out the links in the description for many different options to choose from and book. Our first stop is Stonehenge, the world-famous prehistoric monument. Located just a couple of hours from London, it's perfect for a quick getaway. Did you know that you can even book a Stonehenge and Bath full-day coach tour from London? See details in the description. And to really get the full story of this ancient wonder, consider a guided tour. It's a great way to unlock all the mysteries hidden in these ancient stones. You can even join a Get Your Guide tour that takes you up close and personal while hearing fascinating insights from an expert guide. Next, let's hit the charming lanes of the Cotswolds. With its picture-perfect cottages and rolling hills, the Cotswolds is like stepping back in time. Take a walking tour of iconic villages like Bourton-on-the-Water or Bibury. These spots are perfect for a leisurely stroll, and trust me, the scenery alone is worth the drive. Want to keep it easy? You can even leave the car behind and take the train to the Cotswolds, where guided tours will show you all the highlights, no driving required. From the Cotswolds, drive to Bath, a city famous for its Roman history and beautiful Georgian architecture. Walk through the Roman baths, a historical wonder that's best experienced with a guided tour, where experts bring history to life with tales of ancient times. Plus, don't forget to take a walk through Bath's Royal Crescent and Pulteney Bridge. For those seeking a little luxury, consider a guided day trip from London, where everything's arranged for you, including the chance to soak in Bath's thermal waters. Lastly, drive all the way to the rugged coast of Cornwall. Think breathtaking views, dramatic cliffs, and gorgeous beaches like St Ives and Land's End. There are so many picturesque spots to visit here, and booking a guided tour ensures you don't miss any hidden gems. If you'd rather skip the long drive, consider hopping on the train to Cornwall and joining a local guided tour to explore the area stress-free. From ancient history to charming villages and coastal cliffs, these London road trips have something for everyone. Plus, adding a guided tour can truly make your journey stress-free and unforgettable. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just in search of some adventure, these road trips from London have it all. And remember, you can always take the train and enjoy a guided tour as a flexible option too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to help our channel grow and bring you more valuable travel content. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for all the exciting activities, guided tours, and must-see places for your next road trip. Safe travels.